And today again, Storm Erminia is going to bring heavy rain and squally showers as well as strong winds across our shores, but something quieter by the end of the week. Good morning, Sal. Good morning to you too. Well, Storm Erminia is certainly across our shores at the moment, producing heavy rain, as Sal was just saying, and strong winds. The strongest winds across parts of southern England and Wales. We could have gusts widely around about 50 miles an hour, but locally with exposure up to 70 miles an hour. Then when you add on the heavy rain, there is the risk of flooding. This is what we've had through the course of the night. All this rain pushing north, and we've also got rain in Scotland and some squally showers coming in behind. Probably heard the odd rumble of thunder in parts through the course of the night. Now today we see a very similar picture. We've got the rain pushing north, further squally showers coming into the west, some of those merging to give some longer spells of rain across Wales and southern England. And we're looking at wind speeds. These are the gusts that you can expect today: 44, 52, 53, 65 across southern areas. Temperature wise, right about average for the time of year. We're looking at 6 to 9 degrees, but fairly academic with all this weather going on. Now through this evening and overnight, the showers do continue. We've got the rain pushing northwards, still squally showers, still gusty winds, but the gales that we're looking at slowly easing as we go through the course of the night. There'll be some clear spells developing as well. And then as we head into tomorrow, here is the centre of the storm. So we still have showers and rain rotating all around it, pushing steadily eastwards as we go through the day. And tomorrow is going to be another blustery day with temperatures 7 to about 10 degrees. But you'll be glad to know it looks like it's going to calm down as we head through Thursday and towards the end of the week too. Well, this is courtesy of Storm Erminia, named by the Spanish Met Service because of the impacts in Iberia. And today, the Met Office, due to the storm, has a couple of weather warnings out. They're yellow weather warnings for wind and for rain. The winds for southern parts of England and also Wales. Inland gusts possibly 50 miles an hour with exposure up to about 70 miles an hour. And the rain is for Wales. This is valid until later on tomorrow morning. So some heavy rain to come today. We've had it through the course of the night, pushing steadily northwards, further centre of the storm. So today, as the rain continues to push northwards, we could see some winteriness on the highest ground in Scotland. We could also see some winteriness on high ground across Wales and northern England. Some thunder and lightning, possibly some hail, mixed in with those squally showers and gusty winds for most, except for across Fife, for example. But for most, especially though in the west and the south, where we're looking at high gusts. Temperatures, we're looking at about 6 to 9 degrees, which are more or less average for this time of year. But of course, with all this rain around, still there's the risk of flooding, and the wind could lead to some further damage. Now, as we head on through the afternoon and into the evening and overnight period, the rain continues to push northwards. We hang on to these squally showers, all rotating around the centre of the low pressure that is the storm. And overnight, these are our overnight lows, 2 to about 7 degrees. But Sal, a bit later in the week, things calm down, I'm delighted to say.
That's good to know, Carol. Thank you.